Youth face a variety of psychological issues due to biological, social, and environmental factors. Some of the most common include 1. Anxiety disorders. Generalized anxiety disorder (GAD). Social anxiety disorder. Panic attacks. Causes: academic pressure, social expectations, peer pressure, and uncertainty about the future. 2. Depression. Persistent sadness, loss of interest, and low energy. Suicidal thoughts in severe cases. Causes: family conflicts, bullying, social isolation, trauma, or biological predisposition. 3. Stress and burnout. Academic, social, and career-related stress can lead to physical symptoms like headaches, insomnia, and fatigue. 4. Low self-esteem and body image issues. Often fueled by social media, peer comparison, and unrealistic beauty standards. Can contribute to eating disorders like anorexia or bulimia. 5. Peer pressure and risk-taking behavior. Substance abuse, reckless driving, unsafe sex. Seeking approval from peers can lead to poor decision-making. 6. Identity and self-esteem issues. Struggles with gender identity, sexual orientation, or self-worth. Confusion about personal and professional future choices. 7. Social withdrawal and loneliness. Often linked to excessive social media use, cyberbullying, or lack of real-life connections. 8. Family and relationship conflicts. Struggles with parental expectations, divorce, or domestic violence can lead to emotional distress. 9. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder (ADHD). Difficulty in focusing, impulsivity, and hyperactivity can impact academic and social life. 10. Trauma and PTSD. Exposure to abuse, violence, accidents, or loss of loved ones can result in post-traumatic stress disorder. Coping strategies and solutions. Seeking professional help, therapy, counseling. Building strong support systems, family, friends, mentors. Healthy lifestyle habits, exercise, proper sleep, balanced diet. Stress management techniques, mindfulness, meditation, hobbies. Anxiety disorders in youth. Anxiety disorders are among the most common mental health issues affecting young people. While occasional anxiety is normal, persistent, excessive worry that interferes with daily life is a sign of an anxiety disorder. Types of anxiety disorders. 1. Generalized anxiety disorder (GAD). Constant worry about school, friendships, or the future. Difficulty concentrating, restlessness, muscle tension. 2. Social anxiety disorder. Intense fear of judgment or embarrassment in social situations. Avoiding social interactions, public speaking, or making new friends. 3. Panic disorder. Sudden panic attacks with symptoms like rapid heartbeat, sweating, dizziness, and breathlessness. Fear of future panic attacks, leading to avoidance of certain places or situations. 4. Separation anxiety disorder. Extreme fear of being away from parents or loved ones. Physical symptoms like nausea or headaches when separated. 5. Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. Unwanted intrusive thoughts, obsessions. Repetitive behaviors or rituals, compulsions, to ease anxiety. 6. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Persistent anxiety triggered by a past traumatic event. Flashbacks, nightmares, avoidance of reminders of trauma. Causes of anxiety in youth. Biological factors. Genetics, brain chemistry imbalances. Environmental factors. Academic pressure, social expectations, bullying. Family influences. Overprotective or highly critical parenting, parental conflict. Social media and technology. fear of missing out, FOMO, cyberbullying. Effects of untreated anxiety: poor academic performance, difficulty forming relationships, sleep disturbances, increased risk of depression and substance abuse. Coping strategies and treatment. 1. Professional help. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, helps identify and challenge negative thought patterns. Medication. In severe cases, doctors may prescribe anti-anxiety medications. 2. Lifestyle changes. Regular exercise to reduce stress. Balanced diet and sufficient sleep. Limiting screen time and social media use. 3. Relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises. Meditation and mindfulness practices. 4. Building a support system. Talking to parents, friends, teachers, or counselors. Joining support groups. Relaxation techniques for anxiety in youth. Relaxation techniques can help reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional well-being. Here are some effective methods. 1. Deep breathing exercises. Technique. 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Benefits. Reduces heart rate, calms the nervous system, and relieves stress. 2. Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR. Steps. Tense a muscle group, e.g., fists, for 5 to 10 seconds. Slowly release and notice the tension leaving your body. Move to the next muscle group, arms, shoulders, legs, etc. Benefits. Reduces physical tension and promotes body awareness. 3. Guided imagery, visualization. Steps. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful place, beach, mountains, or a garden. Focus on the details, sounds, smells, colors, and sensations. Take slow, deep breaths while picturing yourself there. Benefits. Helps shift focus from stress to relaxation and positivity. 4. Mindfulness and meditation. Steps. Sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes. Focus on your breath, the rise and fall of your chest. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Benefits. Improves concentration, reduces overthinking, and enhances emotional regulation. 5. Yoga and stretching. Simple poses. Child's pose. Helps release tension in the back and shoulders. Cat-cow stretch. Relieves stress and improves flexibility. Downward dog. Enhances blood flow and reduces anxiety. Benefits. Combines movement with breath control, promoting relaxation and body awareness. 6. Journaling and expressive writing. Steps. Write down your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Focus on gratitude or positive events in your day. Benefits. Helps process emotions, release stress, and gain clarity. 7. Listening to soothing music. Slow tempo music, classical, acoustic, nature sounds can lower stress hormones. Try binaural beats or meditation music for relaxation. 8. Aromatherapy. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood can promote relaxation. Use in a diffuser, apply to the wrists, or add a few drops to a warm bath. 9. Engaging in hobbies. Activities like painting, reading, playing an instrument, or gardening can be therapeutic and calming. 10. Spending time in nature. Walks in the park, hiking, or sitting by a lake can naturally lower stress and improve mood. Spending time in nature for relaxation and mental well-being. Spending time in nature is a powerful way to reduce stress, boost mood, and improve overall mental health. It helps lower anxiety, enhances focus, and fosters a sense of peace. Benefits of being in nature. reduces stress and anxiety, lowers cortisol levels, the stress hormone, improves mood, increases serotonin and dopamine, making you feel happier, boosts concentration, helps with focus and mental clarity, great for students, encourages mindfulness, allows you to be present in the moment, enhances physical health, fresh air, sunlight, vitamin D, and movement improve overall well-being. Ways to relax in nature. 1. Forest walks, Shinrin-yoku, forest bathing. Walk slowly through a forest or park, paying attention to sights, sounds, and smells. Take deep breaths of fresh air and feel the ground beneath your feet. 2. Sitting by water, lakes, rivers, beaches. The sound of water has a calming effect on the brain. Sit near a river, lake, or ocean and listen to the waves or flowing water. 3. Watching the sunrise or sunset. Find a quiet place to watch the sky change colors. Focus on your breathing and let go of any stressful thoughts. 4. Barefoot walking, earthing, grounding. Walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil to feel connected to nature. Helps balance energy, reduce stress, and improve sleep. 5. Gardening or plant care. Digging in the soil and tending to plants can be therapeutic. Growing flowers, vegetables, or herbs brings a sense of achievement. 6. Nature sounds and bird watching. Sit quietly and listen to birds chirping or leaves rustling in the wind. Try to identify different birds or simply enjoy their presence. 7. Picnicking in a park. Take a meal outdoors, sit under a tree, and enjoy food mindfully. Avoid screens and focus on the experience. 8. Outdoor yoga and meditation. Practicing deep breathing, stretching, or mindfulness outside enhances relaxation. Choose a peaceful spot with fresh air and natural light. 9. Stargazing at night. Lie down in an open space and observe the stars. Helps clear the mind and provides a sense of wonder. 10. Exploring nature trails and hiking. A great way to combine exercise and relaxation. Being surrounded by trees and mountains promotes inner peace. Tips for a better experience. Unplug from technology, keep your phone on silent or take a break from screens. Engage your senses, feel the wind, smell the flowers, listen to the birds. Breathe deeply, inhale fresh air, exhale stress. Take it slow, don't rush. Enjoy the moment fully.